Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing an Epicure unboxing. If you've never heard of Epicure, I hadn't either until really recently, but they are a really fun company. They have really awesome food prep ideas. You actually order like different seasonings and sauces and stuff, and then they provide you the recipe. All the recipes are super easy to carry out. They don't have a ton of fussy ingredients, and then you can make really delicious recipes fast, easy. They are super healthy. If you know about me, I'm really ingredient conscious, and that's like the main thing is there's no nasties in their food. So that is what I love the most about Epicure, because I'm always reading the ingredient label, and some of the stuff you find in like the regular grocery store, when you read what's in there, you would not want to eat it. So I'm so excited for this giant box today. So let's dig in. All right, here we go. Ready to dig in. I mean, look at how cute this packaging already is. We've got a little 1, 2, 3, cook, share, demo. What more could you want? Ooh. Sorry guys, I just hit you. It's super well wrapped with bubble wrap, which is awesome. So I've got, this box is my 2-in-1 citrus press, so you can do a lemon or a lime. Then we have these really cute bowls. I love little bowls like this, and they're glass. I am all about having nice glass bowls, so it's a lot healthier for you to store your food in glass. In this little box, I have my different foods. Okay, so here we go. We have chocolate pudding mix. We have General Tso's, like a chicken. We have a sweet and sour stir fry. We have enchiladas, 2 of those. We have a doner. If you've ever had like the gyro kebab kind of thing. Chocolate mud pie mix, oh my gosh. Chili mix, I'm very excited for that. Butter chicken, if you like Indian food, you would love this. Mac and cheese, and then my other enchilada in there. So that is really awesome. And then, oh my God, I'm most excited for this. We've got a little utensil. That's not the thing I'm most excited for. I am most excited for this multi-purpose steamer. You can actually put this right in the microwave, and you can put your chicken and vegetables and everything, and it actually comes out so good. My friend demoed this for me, and I could not believe she did chicken in this, and then she also did it on a pan so you could compare, and I couldn't believe how good this was. Like, I was blown away, and it's so easy. It's silicone, so it cleans so easily. So I'm very excited for this. That's probably what I'm most excited for, other than like the food itself. Then it came with some scissors. That's really handy. Some tongs, just some simple things for around your kitchen. Oh my gosh, and there are so many fun spice blends in here. I'm so excited. So this is actually a guacamole mix. It's so good. I have tried this and I love it. Then what else do we have? Poco picante. We've got kind of like a salsa mix. Roasted garlic aioli. Are you kidding me? That sounds delicious. So it says stir 1 tablespoon to 1 cup of mayo, add a splash of lemon juice if desired. Oh my gosh, that sounds amazing. Summer berry sweet dip mix. Stir 2 tablespoons of dip mix into 1 cup plain Greek yogurt. Add dip mix to smoothies or stir into pancake, waffle, or muffin batter. Or cheese ball, mix 2 tablespoons into a brick of cream cheese. Oh my gosh, or ice pops. Like, there's so many ways that you can use this. And then fajita seasoning. I know I'm gonna go through this one super fast. Now, just to give one example of the ingredients, this has spices, chili powder, onion, garlic, mustard flour, black pepper, lemon, cayenne pepper, and herbs. So there's not gonna be any of those like weird things that you find. There's no sugar added. Like, it's just very like straightforward, kind of like you would if you shop at Whole Foods, you know that they have like that high level of quality standards. So that's what you're gonna get with Epicure. So if you're interested in checking out Epicure, my personal website currently is jessicakaplan.epicure.com. I'm hoping to get it changed to Jess Kaplan, but it just auto-generated. So I will have that link down below, and if it does change, I will update the link for you so that you know how to find it. I am gonna be trying these out, so I will update you with some really fun recipes as soon as I get them. I wasn't really sure what was in here, so I didn't really know what to get, but I will most definitely be trying the fajitas soon, and I don't know, those desserts are looking real good. So definitely stay tuned for more ideas. I'm just so excited because if you know the origins of my channel, I started doing recipes because I hate cooking and I'm so lazy. But I lately have been doing better trying to feed myself well and getting on track. So I feel like Epicure came right at the right time because it's easy, it's healthy, you can control what you're putting in it. So I'm just so excited. I can't wait to show you more. So definitely hit the subscribe button if you want to see more, give it a like, and I will see you in the next video soon. Have a great day, stay positive, bye!